Hello and good day. My name is Loong from PERT S12 and my rating ID is B122310142. And here we will be presenting the Deepwater Horizon oil spill that happened in April 2010. So on 20th April 2010, the Deepwater Horizon oil rig in the Gulf of Mexico exploded and caught on fire, causing it to sink, and it is known as the largest accidental oil spill in history. So there's 11 people killed and 17 injured. The oil rig suffered a blowout due to the failed blowout preventer. Hydrocarbons shot up the well and ignited, causing explosions. There are 3 companies known to have caused this disaster. One of them is British Petroleum (BP). They are the well operator and the lease owner of the oil rig. So BP is an oil company with a problematic history with oil spills since 1967, and they are responsible for the oil drilling operation. So before the spill or the pre-spill, BP disregards warnings from experts when it used a single pipe with fewer barriers at the bottom of the well and less than recommended centralizers during cementing. So as you can see here, when there are less centralizers, the casing will shift to the side and it will cause a spilly cemented area where gas can leak through. It also will cause a failed blowout preventer because for the well to work properly, the drill pipe needs to be centered. So when it is not centered, the well will be not able to seal fully, and this will cause the pipe to compress when it's closing, which created a 2-inch gap allowing oil to go through. So the second company that is involved is the Transocean, which are the oil rig operator and owner of the oil rig. Transocean was responsible for the safety maintenance of the oil rig and its workers. However, they neglected proper maintenance and inspections, including pressure tests, which causes the component of the blowout preventer to be prone to failure. And thirdly, Halliburton, who is an oil field services company, and they are contracted to design and implement the cement job used to seal the well and prevent leaks. They are known for the bad cement design, and the test result of the cement slurry used was created did not meet the industry standards for stability. When the bottom cement failed, it is possible because it was contaminated and not poured incorrectly by Halliburton, so which may have given a clear path to the rig. So during the spill, BP was also criticized for having slow and ineffective response due to their multiple failed attempts to seal the leak. They only managed to seal the leak after 87 days. And the total fines that was punished was BP's total is 34.1 billion. Whereas Ocean's total was 8.8 billion and Halliburton's total was 1.9 billion.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera to Madam Isadora binti Mustafa. Today, my group will be discussing about the Deepwater Horizon oil spill at Gulf of Mexico. Before we go into this topic, I introduce my name first. My name is Muhammad AMIRUL FIRDAUS bin Muhammad Rawi. My number matric B122310220. I will explain the summary from the story of the accident of Deepwater Horizon oil spill. The Deepwater Horizon oil spill rig operated by BP exploded. The spill was caused by a blowout on the drilling platform operated by British Petroleum (BP), resulting in a massive explosion and the sinking of the Deepwater Horizon rig. The accident caused the death of 11 workers and 17 were injured workers. It also causing had serious environmental effect. BP will be primarily responsible for the disaster and fined $20.8 million. The clean-up effort 2 years and continues to this day. Significant long-term effect on ecosystem along the coast, the bay and the people who live there.
In this part, I will share you the causes that happen in Deepwater Horizon oil rig. The first one is because of mechanical failure. Mechanical failure that defective blow-up preventer. This vital safety device failed to activate, allowing oil and gas to flow uncontrollably from the well. The second is from management decision of cutting corner. BP and its partner were reportedly under pressure to complete the well quickly, which may have led to safety shortcut.
Assalamualaikum, my name is LUQMAAN. My metric number is B1223100015. Now I will continue on the present on the scope of possible outcome of the oil spill and explosion in Yook. In this presentation, I will be discussing a flowchart that outlines the sequence of events leading to this catastrophic event. The process begins with lighter seawater being pumped into the well, causing it to become unbalanced. This means that the pressure inside the well was lower than the pressure of the oil and gas in the reservoir. This imbalance created the condition for hydrocarbon to flow into the wellbore. The flow of hydrocarbons was facilitated by two parallel failures, a float collar failure and an ineffective cement job. The float collar is a device that prevents fluid from flowing back up the drip pipe after the cement is pumped. However, in this case, the float collar did not close properly, allowing hydrocarbon to enter the drip pipe. The cement job is the process of sealing the space between the casing and the formation with cement. However, in this case, the cement did not bond well with the casing or the formation, creating channel for hydrocarbon to escape. The hydrocarbon then went into the platform, where they encountered an ignition source and caused an explosion. The venting of hydrocarbon was exacerbated by an ineffective fire prevention system, which failed to detect and divert the gas. The ignition source was an engine overspeed, which occurred when the engine received a surge of gas and increased its speed beyond its limit. The explosion on the rig resulted in 11 deaths and 17 injuries, as well as damage to the riser and the blowout preventer (BOP). The riser is a pipe that connects the rig to the wellhead. The BOP is a device that can seal the well in case of an emergency. However, both the riser and the BOP were compromised by the explosion and could not stop the flow of oil. Ultimately, this catastrophic event resulted in 4.9 million barrels of oil being spilled into the Gulf of Mexico, causing several environmental and economic impact. This flowchart serves as a stark reminder of the important safety measures necessary in oil drilling operation and underscore the devastating consequences when those measures fail.
So, our opponent is that BP, Transformation and Halliburton had made a series of cost-cutting and inadequate safety decisions which contributed to the blowout explosion. This action has already violated the code of conduct that requires a registered person to be truthful and diligent in their professional reports, statements, and testimonies. And the concept that it is a conceptual issue, which is the issue of accountability. Decisive between whether BP, Transformation, or Halliburton is the most accountable for the case. It is a procedural disaster because the companies failed to follow the safety protocols, and the ethics theory that we look at is the self-realization theory, because the companies only focus on their own profit and finishing the project. There's a lack of care towards the environment and its impact of their actions. So the moral of the story is that the Deepwater Horizon oil spill highlights the danger of prioritizing profit over environmental responsibility and safety. It serves as an important reminder of the importance of responsible corporate practices and strong environmental protection. Thank you.